Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fruit Playground. First, ensure you have the game installed on your device, available on most app stores. Once launched, you'll find simple touch controls for moving around the environment. The primary goal is to experiment with various fruits and objects, creating fun and often chaotic scenarios. Get ready to unleash your creativity in this exciting physics sandbox. Now, let's dive into the core mechanics. Fruit Playground offers a wide array of fruits, each with distinct weights and textures, affecting how they react. You can easily spawn new items from the menu and drag them around the screen. Experiment with dropping fruits from different heights or throwing them at each other. Combining various objects like explosives with fruits leads to hilarious and unpredictable outcomes. Ready to take your gameplay to the next level? The slow motion feature is incredibly useful for observing intricate physics interactions. Don't forget to explore the environment thoroughly. You might find hidden tools or interactive elements that enhance your experience. Once you've crafted a particularly amusing or impressive scene, remember to use the save function. You can then easily reload your creations to share or revisit anytime. Finally, let's talk about making your playground truly yours. The game often provides options to customize your environment with different backgrounds and settings, adding a personal touch to your experiments. Sharing your most epic fruit explosions or creative contraptions with friends is a huge part of the fun. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including that Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your car smelling fresh. Keep experimenting and enjoy the endless possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.